Hello Luxorians, welcome back to the family. It's your girl Honoria, and in today's video I bring to you this Ayurvedic leave-in hair conditioner with the full recipe as promised. Here's a full recipe on the screen guys, so you can go ahead and take a screenshot if you need to. So I basically infused herbs in part of my water phase. I started off by adding flaxseed, chia seeds and cloves in a bowl, and thereafter measured out my distilled water. Flaxseed helps to strengthen hair follicles and encourages faster hair growth. Chia seeds on the other hand promotes a healthy scalp and hair. And lastly, cloves suits the scalp, prevents dandruff and also helps to promote hair growth. So I'm basically pouring my distilled water in a bowl of herbs and then let that simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. While this is on heat, I'll just go ahead and measure out my other ingredients. I went in with peppermint powder, ginseng powder, fenugreek powder, amla powder and matcha tea powder. All these powders are just my personal preference and what I want in my leave-in conditioner. You can choose to use maybe just green tea or plain water. Anything that works for you is perfectly okay. Also, all these powders or herbs together helps to strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair thinning, encourages thicker and bouncer curls, soothes scalp inflammation, treats dandruff and prevents shedding. In my oil phase, I have used onion oil and avocado butter. I'll just go ahead and measure out my onion oil. Onion oil boosts hair regrowth and prevents hair fall. It is a widely used Ayurvedic solution to ensure healthy and thick hair. I have a video of how I made this onion oil up on my channel. I'll leave a link on the screen so you can go check it out. Avocado butter helps to reduce dandruff, prevent breakage and detangle the hair. I preferred avocado butter to shea butter in this recipe because it is more softer, and avocado also on its own helps to moisturize dry and brittle hair strands. BTMS 50 is an emulsifying wax which helps water and oil to mix. It also has some very good detangling properties, especially for natural hair, and it is perfect for both skin and hair applications. Cetyl alcohol serves as a thickening agent and emulsifier. It helps to keep your ingredients from separating. Personally, using cetyl alcohol on its own has never completely emulsified my lotion and creams. I always use it as a co-emulsifier or a thickener. Let me know in the comment section how you use your cetyl alcohol in your formulations. Lecithin helps to achieve healthy looking, shiny and silky hair. It improves hair texture and seals in moisture. It also acts as an emulsifier, thickener and stabilizer. Glycerin is a humectant. This means it pulls in moisture from the air and keeps the hair hydrated and healthy. Guar gum hydrates the hair by sealing in moisture. It conditions the hair, prevents breakage and avoids product buildup. It is therefore that important ingredient you won't want to omit in your hair formulation. You want to make sure to mix well till you have a smooth consistency. This is how our seeds are looking like after 10 minutes on low heat. I'm just going to add in my dry powders and mix everything very well together. It should be noted that our infused herbs liquid is just half of our water phase, so we have to top up our water phase with plain distilled water. After making sure that everything is properly mixed together, using the double sieve method as usual, I will now sieve out the herbs to have that clean finish free of all particles. If you've watched most of my videos, you'll notice that I always use the double sieve method to sieve out my herbs. This is a step you really don't want to skip because if you do, you'll have a lot of herb particles in your finished product. Using the pantyhose also didn't really do the trick for me, so it's best to invest in a reusable coffee filter for a clean finish every time. I'll now top up my water phase with plain distilled water. So this is what we got. I'll now heat up my oil and water phases, melt my fats and then add in my onion oil. You want to heat up your water and oil phases to about 50 degrees Celsius. I'll now combine my water and oil phases together. With my immersion blender, I'll blend that very well to completely emulsified. The consistency of our leave-in conditioner is still very watery, guys. This is because it's still very hot. It will begin to thicken up when it starts cooling down. So if yours is looking like this, you don't need to worry at all. It will thicken up as the process keeps on. So I'm just going in with my glycerin and guar gum mix. You want to mix that very well and continue to do so every 2 minutes to ensure a complete emulsification as your leave-in conditioner gradually cools down. I wanted my Ayurvedic leave-in hair conditioner to have this pink color to it, so I went in with some color. I dissolved my pink mica in glycerin. So this is a personal preference, guys. You can choose to use another color or just leave your conditioner in the natural color it is. Continue to blend every 2 minutes till the temperatures drop to below 35 degrees Celsius. All you need to do is blend to ensure your formulation stays emulsified as it cools down. If at some point your formulation separates even after blending every 2 minutes, it means you've used a little less emulsifier than your recipe calls for. You can either fix that by going in with some melted emulsifier if your temperature is above 35 degrees Celsius, or you can just go ahead and make a new one from scratch, because tampering with your formulation can really mess up your preservative and setting your formulation for more harm than good. Let me know in the comment section what you do when your formulation separates. So far, I'm loving this consistency, exactly what I was going for. I'll now go in with my cool down phase. Neem oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. It is known for its medicinal benefits as it helps to treat hair loss, heals scalp irritation and promotes healthy hair growth. I'll just pour my cool down phase into my formulation, and with my spatula I'll quickly mix everything in. Lastly, I'll go in with my immersion blender and give it a good mix so everything blends in perfectly. As always, guys, measuring the pH of skin and hair care products is very important on this channel. A balanced pH helps to close the hair cuticles and prevent hair loss. A good pH should be below 7, preferably around 4.5 and 5.5. I really loved the final look and consistency of this Ayurvedic leave-in conditioner. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, guys. I'll make another video to show you how I use all my hair products from my shampoo bar, onion oil and this Ayurvedic leave-in conditioner. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. We've now come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.